Hey, Peach, you got a cold. Hey, you're gonna need an antibiotic. Alright, we can do that, baby. I hope she doesn't have a cold or a respiratory infection. I'll take care of you, sweetie. Don't worry. She got a new vision tank. She has new bulbs, new lights, new everything. She got a new hide. Everything's coming up. And this tank is gonna be taken by a little death adder. And then we got a horned viper coming in. I hope she doesn't eat them. Better?